Welcome back to this week's episode of Limitless. This week we have got the first week of the output on content. Dylan, our choice for the clothing store, should hopefully have that made by the end of the week. So let's see what he wants and how he gets on. And the Jag is still in the near distance being done, and that should be this week. If not, we're going to have some issues. So let's see how we get on and if we got that girl back by the end of the week. So it is Saturday 21st. Can you see? Can you focus? Nah, who cares? Jack's making tea. Ahoy.
Tea and toast is going on in there. Toast. And we've got some chocolate biscuits from the garage.
Yeah.
Lovely. Tea, toast, chocolate hobnobs. The whole pack, they will be eaten by the end of the day. Yeah.
The office is got no cupboards because we're painting them.
Yep.
Yeah, we're getting well. So what are you doing today, John?
Doing kindling.
Yeah. So John's got the little business of kindling. He saw us when we was doing the logs, which we've got one more season at. Oh, can't see. Ahoy. And the garage is around us, so John's little side hustle, you could say, to start with, while he's at school still. We're going to get some content going once my computer wakes up. And go from there. What are you doing, Flo? So, editing a quick little short because the CapCut wasn't on, it's expired on the demo for the paid version, so I just had to get the bank details and get that sorted with a new business bank because not used to it. Left the card down there, So while I was waiting that starts, so now I've got the 100 gig storage. I can carry on editing on the main stuff, listening to a little bit of music, but it's quite hard when you're doing shit. And this knobhead's meant to be working, but he's watching DDU. But now he's disguising his work.
I'm not.
With the chart in front of him. So what are they doing?
At the minute, the SVJ's just died on the Gumball Start Grid.
Oh, I remember
I'm a couple of videos back. I've been watching.
Oh, so what are you doing now anyway?
I was going to go over.
Turn it off quickly. How can we hear you? He's a
going to go over chart work, and then I do then need to finish off creating my new strategy, and then also content ready for next week. That's my 3.
He's the worst one for content.
Yeah.
The last 3 weeks it's been.
2 weeks.
3 weeks. The 3 weeks is over. The 3 week probation period is over.
And I failed the probation.
So, reel done. Warm my tea up again because I haven't eaten it. Air drum kit. And I've done this because I don't really do reels or shorts. But I want to do is show the others if I edit a bit better. Hopefully we get better results. So we'll soon see. I'll show them the document of how I've edited it and then go from there once it goes up. So fingers crossed magic works. So John's having a little rave up and we're outside. We've got to unload the 2 trucks. More shit. Because we are moving out of the big house because of a property venture and deal. Deals we're going to see how we're going. And let's unload. So we had to put a new floor in the shed just so that we can get all the shit from the house up there. And then we'll get there and do a little bit of painting. And hopefully be us done and moved.
Right,
What are we doing?
we're moving out. Last day we keep back at 5 o'clock, and it is now 2:41. You just got to go drop. What is it? A gazebo off to Jazzy's dad, and then we'll come back to get Mum's rattan furniture that she now wants to keep. So that's what we're going back to the yard for storage because we've got storage at the yard.
That's what we've got to come and get. That's what we've got to drop off. And then all the white goods are on, and the girls are literally hoovering and mopping the last section, and then we're out of here. Ahoy, we're nearly done. How long did it take you? 1 day? 2 days?
Yeah, about half hour.
Yeah.
Whole, 5-bedroom house.
Lovely.
Moved everything out myself. You're supposed to paint the walls, not the floor.
Well, clean it up. You're mopping. This is what the sound looks like after 5 days of moving out.
I've had enough.
I have
Six bedrooms later, and now we get up, John, tidy up this. Max, what are we doing?
So much rubbish. Huh? Right, is it done? No! Oh no! We've got more. What have you got to do?
We had great fun, in other words. It was just loads more than every time we was like, yeah, we're nearly done. We was never nearly done. But let's get this kindling sorted, put away, walk the dogs, and then I'm actually driving this week and possibly next week, and the following week until the Jag is back. I am driving the MX-5. I'm on that, it's my little whip for the next 2 weeks until my big V8 Jag. So I'm going from a 1.64 cylinder to a a big 4.2 supercharged V8. So yeah, it's great. But yeah, that's right. Got a hard top on it now, even though it's a sunny day. But I can't bother to take it off now because yeah, just easy and that's on there now. So let's go. Let's get on it, boys. Hey Max, tell him. Tell him. So we're gonna get on it. Tell him. Look. Tell him. No, he's not having none of it.
5:15 basically. Round here. Tea's done. And we get cracking again. So it wasn't too bad actually getting up this morning, as I've kind of given up with the idea of being happy and getting 8 hours sleep plus, because I still feel fucking tired and just bollocks. So I'm going with at the minute the attitude of fulfillment and doing epic shit. So let's see how we get on with that, because I'm going to be tired in a couple of weeks when the baby gets here. So the beauty's coming alive. Let's get cracking. Look at this peace and quiet. No one's going to come and knock on the door. No one's up. No one's messaging me. Beautiful.
Pick up your camera, start shooting, and document your days. I'm going to post this video tomorrow. And then I was like, bingo.
So I'll get me breakfast on the go. This morning was pretty easy to get up because of that idea of getting rid of being happy, and the idea of focusing on sleep is what I've been doing for the last few weeks. And if anything, I think it's stressing me out more than not getting the sleep or trying to get it, just because I just feel tired. Anyway, so yeah. Jackie boy didn't come down this morning, but I'm sure he will tomorrow, because that's how it kind of rolls. So he will, not like easy rolls, but he just will work that way, that one of us gets up like I've done this morning, and we say like, right, cracking back on with it, and then Jackie won't do it this morning, or the same way around. I'll obviously be the one still in bed. And then tomorrow he'll be fucked off that he never come today, so he'll be here tomorrow. So we'll show you on the vlog that he's here tomorrow. Toast is my go-to for breakfast. That's all I really have. Is toast, and I will have honey, unless I've run out of honey, and then I'll mix it up with a bit of Nutella. Simple. She doesn't like the fluffy thing on the camera. He looks like a mouse. So, Monday evening, and we are just at the gym. So it's 20 past 6, 10 past 6. It's not even 6 o'clock, is it? And yeah, we'll smash some legs. Got John here because he's got a little bit of weight to lose still. So see how we get on. Hopefully we'll be back by about 7:30. His legs, and we've only been coming back, what, 2 weeks now? Because obviously we had a busy period. So let's get cracking into muscle up. So what's going on here is Sam's strengthening his leg up, because me and Sam both suffer with knee problems. So our our front quads pull underneath our kneecaps. So we've been told by our physio to do one-legged pushes, just to make sure everything's nice and neat and keep everything focused. And then Sam's also listening to a YouTube video, yeah, background noise is shit, about property, because we're trying to buy a property with some clauses on it. So we'll see if what we can do with the clauses. Hola. Leg game. The noises.
People very rarely actually think through how
You must be it now.
Bye.
Just come back from a little walk with the two savages. And we're jumping back on editing. So just make some trading content, long form and short form, for a minute. So it's not been a bad day actually, because we are basically been in the office. Jack's shut off to do some pricing on the last few jobs that we've got coming in, and then that's us done.
Can you hold my dogs for me?
Can anything else you want me to do? Trying to film here.
I know you are. Thank you.
Come here, stupid and the stupid.
Let's get a towel.
Excuse me, wait there. No one doesn't like me. For some reason. Yeah, we'll finish off editing these, and then I've got to call the solicitors and the property owner about some property we're looking at. So it should be interesting, see what happens and see if we make it work. This will be kind of the deal breaker with it. Come here, my mate. So, training time, we are taking the session today. It is our session to take it. We're not late, but we're kind of not early, as we just going to look at some more property, as the other one we are looking at isn't falling through, but we've got some complications with shit, so let's get training. So, Thursday, near the end of the week, just coming up to lunchtime. Jack and Charlie are messing about getting some stuff done. I've been in here getting content, and Ed has been messing about. The rug and the dosser. Bit camera shy. So yeah, we're just waiting for more to load up to the OneDrive on content. So been a busy morning on that, and a little bit of a photo shoot. Wasn't it, Ed? First one?
Yeah.
First one. Did it go well? Did it bad? Shit?
Better. If we had a better model, it would have been better.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm glad you were modelling then. Fucking bitch. Now, country music down, and a little bit of a different afternoon for Thursday afternoon, as I've been down the yard most of the morning, I could say, but it's more like a day when you get down there at 5 instead of half 7, 8 o'clock. And we are going to Marden to get my hair cut, because the chap that we use has now moved, so we've seen to see what it's like going to Marden. Plus Jasmine works over there, and it's her last day, so I kind of tied it in the same thing. So we're going to go and get maybe a little snack for the bakers while she has her lunch break, and that's her last day done over there. So she's only with us while she's got the baby, so interested. I think she's glad to have the week off or two if he doesn't come too early. So let's get there, see how we get on. What are you filming? The week, Jasmine. So we got a little bit wet. Jasmine's running. That's Junior.
He's okay. He's still there. I didn't run him out.
She didn't get him out while running.
Didn't get him out.
Still fat now. But let's go see what Dim's all about. Get my hair cut. Drop shitted off for a last afternoon.
Last 2 hours.
Must be long. Feeling long.
Yeah.
Feeling long. So we're 10 minutes early, which is unlike me and unheard of. But I was going to get some pictures. Look at the weather. Rubbish. So we won't be getting any pictures. Here he is. New store. Let's see how we get on. So looking fresh. Just Dim. Nice as normal. Let's get cracking. Wet as shit. But yeah. Feeling fresh now, feels much better. Took a little bit longer than normal, but I ain't had it done for a while, so let's get back to the office and see what's going on. I'm guessing Ed will be gone by then, but Jack should be there, and see what extra we can get done. See you back at the office. So we just got to the gym after looking at the job, nice quick, worked from before, nice and easy. Good earner should be, but we'll see. Let's do it. One more. Nice. Don't be back a bit. Be quick. Yeah. So, gym session is now complete, and me and Sam have taken a little mini photo shoot of ourselves in the gym light room. As you can see where we're at now. Me and Sam are both rocking the oversized jumpers. Sam's got a small, I've got a medium. I'd normally wear a large in the slim fit. So now we're going to go downstairs, a little bit more content, going from there.